Okay, let's see how much rain we got here. Right on an even ½ inch, so we will take it. Have not gotten near the rain here though we've gotten at home. That's about 6/10 or so we've gotten here the last 3 or 4 days. We've gotten about an additional ½ inch to that, maybe 1.1 or so at home. So, hey, we'll take it. Brought multiple gate getters with me for this trip. Brought the whole family, dogs included. So think, y'all making mom get the gate? You can leave it open. Brownie, get out of her way.
What's up?
So yes, good afternoon, Bobby Lee and family here from Hurricane Creek Farms. We, yeah, I wouldn't say that was a drought busting rain we've got. Certainly not here on this farm.
Brownie in the car.
You can see. She's not dusty around the feed bins or feed bunks for the first time in a while. But yeah, got a little over 1 inch of rain just up the road to the house. Gotten about a ½ inch here. It was actually trying to rain here yesterday morning early as I was feeding. Then it kind of rained off and on several times throughout the day yesterday, just no heavy rain. So we'll get these girls checked on, give them a little feed. Pretty nice day, it's warm. I think we're like in the low 80s right now, but nothing too unbearable. But yeah, we'll start getting some things done.
So we got these ladies fed, putting a little fly spray on their backs as much as they will allow us. Try to help cut down on the flies. Not terrible right now, but I'm sure they appreciate any little bit of relief they can get from the flies. I know the horse flies get pretty bad in the afternoons. Pretty good little looking bunch here. What you put in that?
Actually, a little fly spray, leaving some permethrin.
Just plain straight permethrin? You don't like mix it up or anything?
Well, there's not that many fly sprays available these days.
Oh.
There's others, but this one works pretty good.
Yeah, that's what I use on my horses, is that I reckon it's the best for the horses too.
All right, we're gonna head on up the road. So nice having a gate getter, or even 2 or 3 of them with me. Yeah, y'all got off easy. Y'all should have volunteered to do that for Mom. Well, that was pretty rude of the cows, wasn't it?
What? Oh.
Yeah. Well, we'll see if we can get that turned right back up. Silly animals. Never know what they're gonna do we?
Nope.
Most of the cow herds over here on this place. A couple of the newest calves there. But yeah, not a whole lot going on today. We kind of looking at my to-do list. Is there anything I need to catch up on this afternoon? Well, actually found a couple of bad spots on the fence. We were squirrel hunting this morning and need to work on that. I don't know. There's actually rain in the forecast for middle of the week, a little more, which we're hoping we get that. Otherwise, we may have been cutting hay today because we do have about 10 acres that's ready to cut for the 3rd time. But we're going to hold off given that rain chance. At this point, we're not going to get a 4th cutting, or certainly not a 4th cutting that would be worth anything. So there's no huge rush to get it cut again for the 3rd time. Whoa, big Hereford cow there is being a little protective, so you better watch out. I need to check my dates on when we pulled the bulls out. So we're probably getting about close to the time when we could start thinking about getting these cows up and preg checking them. Yeah, I just need to check that. Of course, we have about 10 that'll calve this fall, including the 6 heifers we just moved home that we're still offering for sale. Had a few people reach out as folks just hadn't had a chance to come look at them yet, things like that. So they're still available. But yeah, we I don't know. What do you think we ought to do the rest of the afternoon?
I mean, I would play in my room.
Oh, he just wants to go inside and play. I don't know. It's Labor Day.
What's Labor Day?
Labor Day is a holiday whenever we recognize everybody for laboring, working. So I don't know, we may, in the spirit of the holiday, hold off on working on that fence. Yeah, just because I think on Wednesday, what are we going to do? Need to check my dates on the, I don't think it's been quite 28 days where we can go ahead and draw blood on them on Wednesday, but we'll see. So if not, I guess a roundabout way of me rambling to the point, we'll probably be working on some fence on Wednesday. But need to get back up to the house. The girls are about to go ride horses, go to a dressage lesson. So we'll help them get loaded up and get horses caught and then get loaded up. Well, we got the horses up for the ladies, but may have an issue. Got one that looks like she's a little tender on the front foot. What do you think?
She lost her shoe.
Lost a shoe, that's what I suspected. Yeah, I could see out there in the pasture, it's like, she's a little lame on the left front, and sure enough, she's lost a shoe, so. Does she get to go?
Yeah, I'm still taking her. She was fairly sound on the grass right there, so she might be okay in the arena, like, because it's soft and sandy.
Soft arena, okay.
Yeah.
This is cool.
We'll see.
Little
She's sound.
stubby
She's not
screwdriver.
sound. She's not sound. We shall, she gets experience for going on the trailer and going somewhere.
Oh yeah, I like those positive attitudes. Positive attitudes.
Yeah.
Bring that positive attitude back home with you, all right?
All right, why don't y'all hit some baseball today, bud?
Where's an eye practice?
No. But you have a game tomorrow. Okay?
All right, we'll see if we can get them loaded up. Come on, big girl. Come on, big girl. Yeah, hoping she'll be a little more sound when she's in that soft arena. Yep, gravel definitely makes her a little tender. All right, big girl. There we go.
Slowly but surely getting better.
Step on up there.
Nope, don't let her.
Latched. That was not a good idea. Come on, man. Step up there. There you go. You going out the front door, Kimber?
Yeah.
Sure they'll leave the back doors open. It's a pleasant day, but we're in the 80s. Sure those mares will appreciate having their windows down, so to speak. All right.
No, we'll be back. Probably maybe if I ride, probably not till 6, but if I don't, then maybe 5. Between 5 and 6.
So you expect supper to be ready for you?
Grill out, hang out when we get back.
All right. I don't mind cooking. Cooking is a shared task around here, right?
Yep.
Although I feel like I
let's
cooked
stop
all
and get
weekend.
My wallet on the way out.
All right.
All right, bye, bud.
Yeah, we have eaten a lot of beef this weekend. I'm trying to think. Days are all messed up. Today's Monday, Labor Day. We had cooked a whole beef tenderloin, just like we did last weekend. It was so good. Kaylin requested another one, so we cooked one of those on Saturday while we were watching a lot of football. Last night we had some good old Hurricane Creek Farms cheeseburgers, a few hot dogs for the kids. But we'll get them out of here. I think Willis has
I ate a burger last night, by the way.
yeah, you did eat a burger. We're gonna do some hitting. His first baseball game, first ever baseball game after moving up from T-ball to coach pitch is tomorrow night. So we're gonna do a little throwing and catching and hitting in the yard.
In a few minutes.
But yeah, I do need to say I want to check my records and when we pull those bulls and see when we can when will be the earliest day we could pull blood on all those heifers or cows and some heifers to preg check them and see when they're gonna calve, or see if they're gonna calve, see if they're pregnant. Good Lord. So as I said here, we pulled the bulls off the cows on August 10th, which most everybody should have been bred well before that, but obviously they could have been bred all the way up to that day, and there no doubt probably was one or two. So 28 days would be, we're at like 23 days right now, so it'd really be this coming up weekend before we could so we probably won't go ahead and check them this week, just because if we have a couple come back open, we're going to immediately be like, well, but you know, is it possible that they're just less than 28 days bred? That's the way the test works. It'll catch them at a minimum of 28 days of pregnancy. Dogs are going crazy because they just heard the ladies leave, but I don't know. I think we're going to kind of be lazy the rest of the afternoon, kind of out of respect for Labor Day. Take it easy. Just don't have a lot real pressing with more rain in the forecast. Dogs, hush! Yeah, cutting hay. There's always some spots of pasture we could clip, some fences we could patch on. That never changes, but yep, maybe focus on doing a little baseball practice. Hey, y'all came to see me. And then something that if you'll see my office, need to clean up, straighten up in here. I'll place a little bit of blame on some of the rest of the family. If we just have junk laying around, we're like, oh, where does that need to go? Just put it in Bobby Lee's office. You know, he never cleans that anyway. But no, straighten some things around here. Most of it is mine. Hey, anybody want a T-shirt? You need to go to HurricaneCreek.farm. Got a few hats, a few T-shirts. We also have the Talk Dirt to Me T-shirts in the box there underneath the blower. Interested in any of those things, check them out. But I'm not sure what we're going to throw on the grill tonight, but we'll throw something on there. Yeah, abbreviated video, but I just hadn't done a lot this weekend. Just been kind of taking it easy, hanging out with some good friends, cooking some good food, watching some good football. But we'll be back at it here in just a couple more days. Yeah, so I'm trying to think. I go back to work tomorrow, then I'm off again on Wednesday. We'll be patching some fence, coming up with something else to do. Probably be something come up between now and then that we'll need to get done. But we appreciate y'all watching. Be sure to hit the thumbs up button. We'll see y'all next time. Eat beef and God bless.